Namaste. I welcome you to this tutorial where I will guide you through the deep Guru chant and the importance of Guru in our lives. How many of you believe in the transformative power of a Guru's grace? Guru is not just a person, but the embodiment of divine wisdom and infinite possibilities. A Guru is a guiding light who awakens the dormant potential within us and leads us from the darkness of ignorance to the knowledge of self and the world. A guru not only just imparts knowledge but also inspires clarity and self awareness. A guru uplifts us, helping us surpass our limitations and discover the boundless essence of who we truly are by nurturing our inner strength. In my singing classes and tutorials, I usually use a step by step methodology of conversion, comprehension, clarity, and connection to understand the chants and the songs. These four steps will not only help you understand the chant, but also allow you to connect deeply with its essence on a different level. Let's begin. The first step is conversion. Let's convert the song into something we can understand, not just in a literal sense, but in cultural and contextual sense as well. Omkar, Guruji, Omkar, Omkar, Guruji, Omkar. In this context, this mantra is translated to Oh Guru, who embodies the essence of Om, guide us with the wisdom of the ultimate truth. Now that we have translated the chant, let's dive deeper into the meaning through the next step, comprehension. Omkar. Omkar is a stretched form of Om, and Om represents the primordial vibration of the universe. You can refer to my tutorial on the Saraswati mantra, where I have explained the meaning of Om in that context. In this context, this chant glorifies the Guru as a manifestation of the cosmic vibration Om. The Guru is seen as a bridge between the seeker and the infinite, guiding you towards self realization. Om is the seed sound of the universe, symbolizing creation, preservation, and dissolution. By chanting this mantra, we surrender to divine guidance and invite spiritual awakening. Guruji. Guru is Guru, as you know. What is the significance of Ji here? In Indian culture, Ji is added to the name or any other address to denote respect in any relation. For example, you can call me Abhiji if you want to pay me more respect. Together, Guruji signifies the honored spiritual teacher. Let's move on to the next step to get the clarity on the pronunciation. Omkar. For Om, for the pronunciation of Om, you can refer to my tutorial video on the Saraswati chant, Krishna Das version. Kar, with sharp K with the long Hindi vowel A, Ka, followed by the soft Spanish R, Kar. So it becomes Omkar. Guruji, Gu with a short Hindi vowel U, Ru with a short Hindi vowel U, Ji with long Hindi vowel E. So Guruji. Chant it slowly, allowing the vibration of Om to resonate deeply while letting the mantra flow. Let's understand the spiritual significance of this mantra. As you chant, let it remind you of the infinite consciousness within and around you. It creates a connection with the Guru's teachings, aligning the mind with the vibration of Om, which is said to purify thoughts and emotions. It encourages humility gratitude, and a deeper focus on spiritual growth. Repeating Omkar Guruji Omkar regularly can deepen your meditative practices, harmonize the mind, and foster inner peace by invoking the Guru's grace. Thank you for joining me in this journey. I hope you liked this video and were able to deepen your understanding on this simple yet profound Guru mantra and chant. Be sure to like this video and let me know in the comments if you have been blessed with a Guru. To get notifications about new tutorials, subscribe to my channel and keep exploring the power of these ancient chants and mantras. Until next time, keep your meditative light shine. Namaste.